Welcome to Inshane Designs. Today we're going to show you how to install our 717 Aero kit for the C8 Corvette. So this is our front splitter. This is going to reuse all of the factory hardware from the C8 on the bottom section of the front bumper. All you're going to need to install it is a T15 driver of some sort. Alright, so now we take off the factory hardware on the bottom of the front bumper. It's going to be all these T15 screws along the bottom edge. Whenever installing this, you're going to put one screw on each end and then one in the middle, so it's stable for you to install the rest of the screws.